Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I started one of the most important themes in Python, variables. Continuing, we need to talk about reserved words and case sensitive. If you want to create two variables, example true and false, exactly like I wrote, Python won't allow it. Why? Because these are reserved words, that is, words that already have a defined function and that cannot be used as a variable name. Another example, I like the word break and I want to assign value to it as a variable. Cannot. Why? Because it's reserved to. Now, as Python is case sensitive, uppercase and lowercase letters form different words. So, break with a capital B is not reserved, so it can be used normally. Look, break in this way, it works. Break. But do you see the danger here? Can you imagine the confusion it can cause when using a word similar to another reserved one? Don't need that, do you? There are thousands of words, except this list here below. So, of course, let's avoid the temptation to create words that can cause confusion, okay? Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.